Hi everybody and welcome back to Berrybrook. Oh, look at it. This is a cute car. So this is a Morgan 4.4. This is a 2008 car. So let's have a quick look round. Let's start at the front end then. So we've got overriders at the front end, so giving that proper classical look, really nice. You've got that lovely black gloss grille as well, which goes with the sport black paint, really does finish it off nicely. As we go round to the stainless wire wheels, you've got those brass centre lock nuts. They look really great. As we follow that lovely wing line around the side, you've got tread rubbers there. You can see your Union flag badges as well. On the back, you've got that two-tier luggage rack. So what that means is you can put your suitcase on the top, and there is enough space for side screens to go behind. Just in there, look. You've got matching side screens, so they are finished in Everflex, which is matching the roof, both in black. For the eagle-eyed there, you can also see you've got sun visors. I do love these skinny little cars. They are great. I'll tell you what, let's have a quick look inside. So again, inside, all about the details. Door checks to keep those doors wide open. Lovely bright red carpets. Oh, look at that red leather, really nice. Headrests on there. You've got the chrome door lock covers that just finish off that interior. You've got that, oh, look at the pattern on that walnut dash, really nice. And cream dials with the chrome bezels. I know you want to, so come on then, jump on in and we'll go for a ride. Okay everyone, welcome back to Berrybrook. Look at this little car, isn't it lovely? Great fan of the 4.4s. Skinny little cars, fitting down little roads. Easy to drive. Not a massive engine in these things. So this is a 2008. We've got 41,000 miles on the clock, so it has been loved and used, this car. We'll talk about the loved bit in a second. So this is the 1800 Z-Tech blacktop engine. It's fast enough. Zipping along, great fun, open road. Up into top gear already, which we love. I did say, yeah, this has been loved before. This has had quite an interesting little life, this car. So obviously it would have started out as a standard, but this one's had some really great adaptations on it. The 5-link suspension, adjustable front shocks is the biggest thing. I mean, I must say, even straight away, you notice it. Normally these cars are a typical classic car kind of drive. You know, you got sliding pillar suspension, your leaf springs at the back with a standard one of these, pretty bouncy. This is lovely, it really is nice. Pothole there. I mean, I'll try and avoid as many as I can, but it felt like a modern car, which is brilliant for one of these things. And what that means is it means it's more drivable. It means it's more comfortable. You want to drive it, hence why it's been used and loved. You know, you don't have to be scared to take it down a country lane, because you know actually it's going to perform quite well. And even though it is skinny, we'll still respect other road users there. Look. You know, I've taken some of the aeros down this before. They fill this lane, and yes, you can feel some of the bumps in it, but it's not as jarring as it would be in some of the other unadapted cars, should we say. So yeah, this is lovely, really nice. Again, and what that means is that when you do put your foot down, that those tyres stay on the road, and that gives you a better experience more control. Oh, look at the colour of the fields, it's so yellow. But again, it's just the feeling that these give you is brilliant. They really are great cars. I do love the 4.4s. Some of the other nice things, I mean, as I say, the 5-link and front suspension is the biggest thing. But, you know, you've got your typical walnut dash here. You've got your wooden steering wheel. So, again, it looks the part. I will say this is finished in black, so it's a proper retro-looking car. With the red inside, red leather, absolutely lovely. It's a proper vintage-looking car. You get all that retro look, but modern-day driving feel. Because after all, these are a sports car after all, and you want it to be nippy, don't you? Lovely exhaust note. Really does sound great as well. So this is all about sensors, this car. Feels great, looks great. Some of the nice little touches that they've added on the outside I'll point out. Is the you know, those wire wheels look great. The centre hubcaps, they're the brass, they look absolutely fantastic on there. Again, a very usable car this, because you've got that luggage rack. You've got a double tier luggage rack on there, so your side screens can come off. Put them back there, put your luggage on top of it. Ugh. What is not to love about these cars? So we haven't had this car in very long, and a few of us already have kind of fallen in love with it. Just that burble on the exhausts. Probably can't hear it on this video. I know that I've been suffering with sound qualities on some of the videos, and I apologise. But these are made on an absolute shoestring budget. I mean, this. Look at this. This is what driving a Morgan is about. Finding those empty roads. Great scenery. On the other side of here, I've got the River X. So the smell, I can smell not only the fresh air, but I can smell the sea air as well coming off the estuary. And because I don't have a big car, I don't have to go into the side there. So if you've watched this far in the video, you would have seen the little walk around that I've done, pointing out some of the other nice details on this car. So the black grille rather than a chrome one looks absolutely fantastic. The overriders give it that classic sort of look as well. With this, you've also got easy up hood back there, which means if you do get caught out in a rain shower, if you can remember what rain is, then it only takes about 15 seconds to get that hood up and get you dry. Lita tonneau with this as well, which you may decide to use instead of the roof. Again, the sports exhaust on this is great. It really does sound fantastic. And again, the view down there. Now, I don't know if you can see, but you've got a little cat head, little chrome one that the previous owner put on their Mog, which looks great. Really good fun. Yeah, it's in such good condition, this car. I mean, you've got aluminium panels, no corrosion on this whatsoever, which is great. For a car that is about 18 years old, what more can you ask for at the end of the day? Carpet's still nice and bright, it's been garaged all its life. You've got a footwell heater if it does get a little bit chilly, and also a stereo if you ever get sick of listening to the soundtrack that Morgan are producing. And you know what? Sometimes you're not going to be on the open road, you're going to be caught in traffic. This is just a pleasure, and easy to drive as well. I mean, literally, one hand on the steering wheel at the moment. Makes a big difference. So, hope you've enjoyed the video so far. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't done already. Leave us a comment. If we've got any stock that you want to see and haven't done a video of, then please put something in the comments. Always try and get to you as quick as I can. So if you like this car, if you like any of our cars, obviously you can email me, you can phone me, more importantly pop in and see me, we can take them out. And if I haven't mentioned already, we actually hire Morgans out as well. So you can really try before you buy, which is nice. You can see if you can live with a car over a day, weekend, a week. So yeah, give us a shout. And thanks for watching.
A few moments later.
Again, this is a sports car.